Right, here comes question 3. See if you can find a pattern in those right. Which of the following functions is equal to x squared plus x plus 1 on its domain? So f of x equal will give you the rules here, and I think you can see them all, so probably if I read them out loud, it will distract you more than it's worth. But if you can't read any of those things, you feel free to ask. It's worth 300 points, and I said you also have to help, and you have 45 seconds for this one too. Maybe we'll ask the audience what they think. In terms of clapping, how many, or clapping, by signaling what you think is right, how many people think it's 8? That's the sound of one math student clapping. How many people think it's B? Nobody didn't get one now. How many people think it's C? Anton is shaking his head too. And how many people think it's D? Or not his head? So C seems to be the most popular answer. We'll see what the correct answer is. It is C. 3 people got that right. Very good. Who else besides Anton got that right? Assuming you did that right. I'm very excited about it. And so, Lev, just to pull the microphone over. And were you one of the people signaled in the last minute? That's what the microphone's for.
I don't think I was.
And so it wasn't just a guess. How'd you get it?
I just that group top all running and then divided by the bottom and that's the thing.
And what is that part about on its domain? Why is that?
Because it's not dependent one for that transport. So
That's exactly right. And so that's one way of doing it. You might, there are other ways to do it as well. That's a very good way. Thanks for the explanation, Lev. So we'll see what the score is now. Anton and Lev still got all the questions right. They each have 2,100 points. All right, here we go. For 700 points. Given the standard 6-sided fair dice, which of the following events has the lowest probability? Is it A, rolling a prime number on a roll of a single die? B, rolling a prime total, so the total showing when you somewhere on the top would be a prime number, on a roll of 2 dice. C, rolling a number that is the product of 2 possibly equal primes on a roll of a single die. Or D, rolling a total that is the product of 2 possibly equal primes on a roll of 2 dice. All right, 700 points. We'll see what the correct answer is. It took a lot of figuring. 3 people got that right. Let's go. Rolling a number that is the product of 2 possibly equal primes on a roll of a single die. So anyone, who got that right? Anton got it right. Samantha got it right. So when you tell us how many of those probabilities you were able to figure out in that fast amount of time?
Yeah, for 8 a probability.
Anton, I was asking you.
Sorry.
It's all right.
Well, I figured out the probability of the first two. Like the first one is I got to be the 1/2, and then for B I got to be that can simplify it. That's like 15 over 36.
Yeah, that sounds right.
And then for C and D, I looked at them, and single die versus 2 die, I figured that a single die would have less probability to be, well, obviously there's only really 2 people, like 1/3 possibility to do. Like you can either get 4 or 6. And
That's right.
So, and then C was giving me good vibes. So.
Really?
I was trying to figure out D, but then it seemed like there were some more possibilities coming up, and I didn't feel like figuring it out.
Once it got past the 3rd, who cares? Right. Yeah, I think it might be equal to B. I can't remember for sure. It's also 1536. All right, so the good vibes worked. Congratulations to them. And nice explanation, Samantha. Thank you. And so we're going to see what the score is going into the last question. Still got all